Perfect, great job, or that looks clean to keep energy human. If you've ever admired antique decorations and wondered how designers recreate that timeless elegance digitally, this process will show you exactly how it's done. How to create vintage ornament patterns. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a square canvas around 1500 pixels to allow room for detailed ornament shapes. Use the pen tool to draw a curved ornamental flourish, then apply a stroke and subtle fill color resembling classic gold or sepia tones. Duplicate the shape and rotate it symmetrically so the ornament begins forming a decorative motif. Merge related layers into groups